time to service our cam cleat.
Moldy nightmare.
Two babies! Oh, yeah! All right, 2 weeks after we arrived in this beautiful paradise, we are on our way out and we are headed to Coco Banderas. It's been an amazing stay here, but we are out of here. Goodbye, East Hollandaise. Oh yeah! Woo! Wow! A baby! There's babies! Wow! Oh, wow! Aren't they beautiful? Oh! Two babies! Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh, so cool! The islands of Coco Bandero are extremely scenic, so scenic that they were chosen for the front cover of the Bauhaus Panama cruising guide. Situated behind a 4-mile-long protective outer reef barrier, these uninhabited islands may be the most beautiful of all the sandblasts, with their white sand beaches, towering palm trees, and crystal clear waters. But they're only good to visit in calm conditions, and when it is calm, the anchorage fills up with boats. Today, Brown is trying to use a kit to restore our cam cleat because it probably just needs to be serviced, so he's doing that, and it's not easy to reach this cleat at all. Put all the dust in there.
Well, this is from the rope. That's rope residue.
I wonder why it's squeaking so badly.
I think it'll work.
Shouldn't have any play in it. Hand me the 1/2 inch again. Yeah. All right, go ahead. Is it coming?
All right, the cam cleat is off.
Looking good. Look at that.
And here are the parts for what we think is gonna fix the cam cleat so that it doesn't squeak anymore. We keep all of our projects for when Jeff comes to visit us. All right, let's not throw any parts overboard today.
Why not?
Oh, I'm used to doing that.
I know. They're all the same length. You can oil up all of these bolts, put it back together. You could put something on this. You've got a little tarnish on the stainless, you know, it wouldn't hurt.
You know what? I can use this corrosion axe.
Yeah.
These come out. Took these out. They look like they're identical sides, but the shiny side is going to go out.
Okay.
Look at this. We don't have to remember anything. We got it all on camera. A couple of these pins come out.
Right.
The good thing is these are sub-assemblies. That's a sub-assembly, so that's going to be a lot easier popping that in
I
there.
think that's the one that's going to release. There it goes. I mean, after how many years, this thing is still
Oh, it's never been
functioning.
serviced.
Okay, here we go.
It was like the winches. Winches,
Clean the heck out of this.
winches had never been serviced when I
Man.
Okay, that. So this part comes right out.
That's the
This
clutch
comes
plate.
off, yeah.
Okay.
I'm curious, where does the
And then
spring? Oh, the spring comes with it.
Spring's built in.
Okay, do you want to replace the handle too?
No.
This handle's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
That way. So we
So
said slide this
that
out.
goes
This
in.
comes out.
What did you click to release that?
Nothing. It's just this. Okay.
There you go.
Ready?
Wow, I need to get in there and clean all that stuff.
Oh, look at how dirty that is.
Okay, so give me the new one.
Wow.
Doctor. Nurse ratchet. Oh man, the clutch plate. That's your problem.
Okay. comes off.
Okay.
This.
There you go. There you go.
That was a dead giveaway, see? Those bolts holding it down.
Yeah. See that?
Oh, look at that wear.
Look at that stuff. Look at that nasty. See, that's all causing friction and
Yeah.
wear. All that dirt's causing wear.
Main thing is how it works. Which I'm sure there's only one way it works, so.
Look at how nasty.
Oh, look at all that in there.
Oh my God.
Oh,
That's disgusting.
man.
Oh.
I actually don't need to do that. That side
Yeah.
and that side looks to be the same to me,
Yep.
right? Cushion there, just clamps down.
Good call.
And
will use
it locks it right there. Anyway, we know this one is as is, so
Okay.
we don't want to put it up there
All right, well, I
any
got a
other
good
way.
video of it.
And this other one is correct. So
I
we're
haven't
only
slipped.
replacing the one side.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would do both sides if I had it.
I would prefer if you scrub the heck out of it like it is.
Okay.
Nothing is gonna fall apart here. So just scrub this.
I'll lubricate the springs, so this spring's holding up pretty well.
Oh, man, you can dip the whole thing?
Why not? It's waterproof. Isn't it?
Oh yeah, right.
I guess so.
Should be. Better be.
We got that air hose too. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Let's just let
electronics
that.
inside.
We'll just let this soak.
Are the other cam cleats like this?
Yeah,
They're all
All the
the same.
same?
Yeah.
Well, those rings are not easy, huh?
Well,
They
probably
don't seem like they sit very well.
put them together first. Might be a better idea. Once they're in there, they're in there. They're happy.
And those really don't wear. Those are not wear items.
Oh, there's
Wow,
no-
look how
no
clean it
tension.
is.
Yeah, it is really clean.
Well, that's one of the reasons why it's not working, is because it's so dirty.
Well, I think our oil just made
that up.
it look good.
Oh, he is so happy, isn't he? I've never seen him this happy.
All right, the cam cleat has been replaced and it is locked in. So we're good to go. No, solo uno hoy. Mañana posible. Okay, so we're getting this fish. It's $10 and they're filleting it for us.
Estados Unidos.
Estados Unidos, sí. Nueva York.
Bandera, veo.
Sí, Bandero. Mhm.
USA.
Yep, USA, sí.
Just
No hay problema.
perfecto.
Here.
Dale, nos vemos. Buen
Perfecto.
provecho.
Boa, gracias.
Oh, you're welcome.
Buen trabajo.
De nada.
Adios.
Buenas tardes.
We have just left the beautiful western Coco Bandera, and now we are headed to the eastern Coco Bandera. Yep, really good. You're doing great. So we didn't like the position of this, so we're going around to the other side. Oh no!
Look, you can't get this anywhere else except for the Blown Away channel. If you like this type of ridiculous clunkiness, make sure you hit the subscription button, like, and share how big of an idiot I am with everybody else. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.
Man, this island was destroyed. I wonder what happened. I wonder what it was. Why it affected this one but none other one. All right, we are getting ready to pick up anchor here. It's a windy day, so hopefully this will all go well.
Yeah, we definitely hooked it.
All right, a little tricky.
Are we gonna make it?
Probably not with me at the helm.
Goodbye, Coco Bandera. Jeff's at the helm. It's his last sail with us for a while.
It's really hard right now.
Oh yeah.
Can you manage it?
Learning.
Our destination is behind the island, right in front of us. It is supposedly packed with a lot of boats. Everyone is seeking protection since we've had some high winds. We're getting closer to the coast of Panama, and this will be really interesting to see what this looks like behind this island. I bet it's really calm. We've not had calm in a few days, that's for sure, but we are sailing. Well, we're jib sailing.
It's like a huge area. Huge area to drop.
Good morning, sweetie. Oh my goodness. So we have a new surprise to unwrap, and it's in the Instant Pot, and it's the first time that we've ever made it, and it's yogurt. And I have no idea how this is going to turn out. This has been in here with the cultures building for like 18 hours, just building up. We're going to take a first look, and you blown away viewers are here to experience the first look ourselves. Is it going to be lovely, plain, delectable yogurt, or is it going to be a moldy nightmare? Let's take a look. That is just pretty downright perfect.
Ooh, it's bitter.
Wow, that's incredible. That's awesome. I like bitter and sour.
I like sweet.
Wow, that is so perfect.
One of the big draws of Green Island is the proximity to beautiful white Solidoop, a picture-perfect little white sandy island with palm trees. It's the perfect place to hang out anytime, and a favorite among the Kunas. We are going over to check it out and get some drone footage. Ah, ¿tu nombre? Miguel, mucho gusto. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Miguel and his family are Kuna from the mainland. They came out to the island to have a picnic and were just as curious about us as we were about them. We spent a few hours together talking and playing. I think they needed some extra help to keep Miguel entertained. It's been such a special time to be on the little island with this wonderful family of brothers and sisters and children, and they're so sweet. They've invited us to join them, and Kunas are just amazing. Such amazing people.
Whoa! Whoa! Muy fuerte!
It's hilarious.
Muy revenant! Woohoo! Gracias.
Préndelo, préndelo, préndelo.
Oh, it's okay.
Préndelo.
It's okay.
Dígale a todos los niños que venga siempre aquí. Es muy hermosa. Póngale pausa, ir allá.
Tu familia.
Ahí están todas mis familias. Ahí están los merguis, que siempre nos cuidan mucho. Adiós.
We're here waiting for the water taxi to take Jeff. It's booked through land travel. It's $70 from the boat all the way to Panama City, which is such a great deal. Buenos dias, hola. And 3 weeks is over just like that. Oh man. Hola. Bye.
I'll be praying.
Thank you. Safe trip. Bon viaje. Muchas gracias. Wow, what a great 3 weeks with Jeff. Oh my goodness. We had fun. We worked hard.
It's been a great time.
It's been a great time. Thank you, Jeff, for everything. My goodness.
Yeah, absolutely.
Safe
Can't wait
trips
to
back.
see you again.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next week.